Hi, this is our walk through Twilight Forest. Well, it's not, that's what I call it, the Twilight Forest. It's actually at the Stone Cliff Inn near Portland, Oregon. They did some filming for Twilight there, and it's beautiful. Even if you're not a Twilight fan, I suggest stopping and doing the little hike because it's awesome. They did scenes there, jumping around, where he's ripping the trees up and stuff. The "Your strength doesn't scare me" part, the Lion and the Lamb, I thought you didn't like me in the tree, the unveiling where he shows himself in the sun. It's all here, and they put signs up on the locations, so while you're hiking you can stop and see and take pictures, and it's really cool. Right there's the tree. We got a cool picture with the kids in the tree coming out here. There it is, so cool. And then when you drive into this place, they have this big owl rock. We of course took a picture by that. And there's some of the spots you can see with the signs for the scenes that they did there. They also have a sign out front where it tells you what scenes there are. There it is. And when you're leaving, if you go to, I do believe, if you take a right once you exit the road for the Stone Cliff Inn, you come by the cafe. We drove right past it, and if I wasn't watching, I would have never known. It's the Carver Cafe where Bella and her dad ate lunch, I think it was. Right there's where they sat. Right up there, it's in the front. Right, and that's it.